Hi everyone, welcome to Twin Mommy Cooking Channel. Today's recipe is idli dosa batter. The ingredients to make idli dosa batter are we need this is idli rice 2 cups, 1 cup of urud dal, 1 cup of boiled rice or kusulaki 1 cup. This is cooking soda quarter teaspoon, salt as per taste. We have to put 1 cup. Now I'll tell you the steps to make idli dosa batter. Wash it nicely and soak it in water. Next I'm taking another bowl and adding boiled rice or kusulaki 1 cup. Next I'm adding 2 cups of idli rice. Again you need to wash this and soak it in water. I've washed the rice as well as urud dal and I have put water in it. You need to soak this for about 8 hours. First I have grinded urud dal and put it into a vessel. Now I am adding the grinded rice. Now I have to grind the last bit of rice. To that I am adding little bit of cooked rice. To the idli rice I am adding little bit of cooked rice. And I will grind this and put it into that mixture. I am adding the rice mixture. Next I am adding quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Next I am adding salt as per taste. Now you need to mix this well. Close this batter with a lid and allow it to rest for overnight. Then it would ferment, and in the morning you will have to take a spoon and stir it nicely, and then you can use it to make idli and dosa. Idli dosa batter is now ready. You can use it for making idli and dosa.